Okay, guys, so join me as I take on this challenge to declutter my whole entire pantry. This is the final result. As y'all can see, I am gonna make sure I link all everything I got in the description box below. I just want y'all to know, whenever you have clutter, your mental health is draining, right? You have clutter everywhere, shit not in order, your life becomes not in order. Do you want that? Hell no. Making sure you create a very calm environment for your home is very important, especially for your children. They don't need to be seeing clutter everywhere. They do not need to, they should be able to pick whatever they need without having to climb up, hurting themselves, um, don't know where nothing at. It's just too much frustration. Like, y'all don't need that. So I'm finna put y'all on. I'm finna show y'all how to get this organized in just like 30 minutes. So let's go. Get these right here and put what I need to put inside of them. Put them back in. Okay. So I see, for example, I have beans. Okay, so I think I'm pretty much done filling all of them up. I got some dead candy. If you love me, give me some of this. All I need. Hey guys, so this was wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. But this is super quick, easy video. I already had all this stuff. I'm gonna link it down in my Amazon store. So make sure y'all shop. Those, cause I've had these over 2 years. This year be 2 years, and they're holding on. They don't haven't broken or anything. So I really like those. Okay guys, so that's really going to be the end of the video. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I really enjoyed making this content. I would love to hear from you on what are some organization hacks like y'all do in y'all household. Share them in the comment section down below. I am going to link everything that I purchased in order to make this happen in my Amazon store. So make sure y'all check my Amazon. All the links gonna be in the description box below. I'm gonna catch y'all Saturday in the next video, because yes, I'm posting every week, twice a week. The next video Saturday. Let's get it.